The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video: Division involving 5-digit dividend and 4-digit divisor. Example: 51,902 divided by 4,235. Let us take up a problem dealing with a 5-digit dividend and 4-digit divisor. Though these kinds of problems are not commonly prescribed at the school level, let us demonstrate how such problems can be solved using abacus. Let us set the dividend 51,902 in the right extreme of the abacus, and the divisor 4,235 in the left extreme of the abacus. As 4 is less than 5, the quotient should be set by skipping one column to the left of the dividend. As there is only one 4 in 5, we have to simply take that as the assumed quotient and multiply 1 with 4,235 and subtract the same from 5,190. First, let us multiply 1 with 4, that is 0, 4. That is 0 subtracted in the 100,000s column and 4 in the thousands column. That is 5 is subtracted and we add 1 in the lower abacus in the 10,000s column. For subtracting 2 in the thousands column, we have to subtract 1 in the 10,000s column and add 8 in the thousands column. In the hundreds column, we have to subtract 3. In the tens column, we have to subtract 5, but we can't do that, and therefore we have to subtract 1 in the hundreds column and add 5 in the tens column. Let us take up the next division. Take 9 of the dividend and 4 of the divisor. There are 2 4s in 9 and therefore we reduce 1 and set the quotient by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. Like the previous stage of division, we have to multiply 1 with 4,235 and subtract it from the remaining dividend 9,552. That is 4 is subtracted in the thousands column. For subtracting 2 in the hundreds column, let us clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 3 in the lower abacus. Let us subtract 3 in the tens column, that means clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 2 in the lower abacus. Finally, we have to subtract 5 in the units column. We can't do that and therefore subtract 1 in the tens column and add 5 in the units column. We can note that the remainder is larger than the divisor and therefore we have to simply add 1 to the assumed quotient and subtract 4,235 from the remainder. That is 4 is subtracted in the thousands column, that is clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 1 in the lower abacus. 2 is subtracted in the hundreds column and 3 should be subtracted in the tens column, for which we subtract 1 in the hundreds column and add 7 in the tens column. And finally, we subtract 5 from the units column. Therefore, the answer here is 12 as the quotient and 1082 as the remainder. We can notice that The right 4 columns are meant for the remainder, as the divisor is a 4-digit number. The 10,000s column is separating the quotient and the remainder, and therefore the quotient is 12. We can manage even 6 digits dividend and 5 digits divisor in the abacus, and beyond that it may be complicated, as the number of rods are only 15. However, at school level, we normally don't involve such divisions with 6 or 7 digits. In the next video, let us slightly modify this problem, where we get a single digit remainder for the 4-digit divisor.